Good Croatian morning, everyone! We decided not to travel far away this weekend, and finally I got some free time for a room tour or house tour because I'm going to show you our 3-story house. So if you're interested, keep watching. By the way, this is my first video filmed with a professional camera which my neighbor from France lent for me. Hope you'll see the difference in the quality. The volunteer house is located in Darva, Bjelovar-Bilogor County, Croatia. And this is how the neighbors' houses look like. People grow grapes nearby. And this is our 3-story house, including the attic. Since we don't have any central heating, we try to keep the house warm with the help of 2 fireplaces. I've lit up the fire for the first time, and I took a cup of water to put out my finger if needed, so I think I made it. Hope we'll not be freezing. These roses smell so sweet. You can see some houses on the top of the hill in front of my house, and my bedroom looks out onto them too. I'm turning my camera toward the house again. You can see a garage on the left, the entrance in the middle, and the window looking out of the dining room. You can see a balcony connecting 2 bedrooms above, and the upper balcony belongs to the attic. The door opens inwards to the hall, and when it's dark you can switch on the black light button. The white one is the bell. This way you can see how you're using the key. In the box we hide the special key. I tell you that because I don't expect you to steal it anyway. Now, we're opening the door to the hallway. I don't know what's going on with this door. Maybe we'd better not to open it. Here, we've got special shelves for shoes. We hung some important announcements on the wall. Also a map for hiking on the outskirts. Some rules for keeping the house clean and the list of lost things. Also the list of must-do things in Darva. One more cleaning schedule. You see what I'm cleaning this week? Another map of the country. I don't know why, but there is a big green Croatia and one more blue Croatia. And this is kind of pantry where we store some beer, wine and raki. This is Croatian strong alcohol that tastes like vodka. You can also see some other products and everyday equipment. This is the stairs to the 2nd floor and the bedrooms that we will see later. This thing was hung by volunteers from Spain because the lock for the bathroom doesn't work. Just flip it over when you want to take it. We're filming, so we're taking it. I can't say this bathroom is the most beautiful one, because another one upstairs is more attractive. It looks like ordinary and it's very cold here. While entering the hallway, you can see a garage on the left. We've got a lot of wood for the fireplaces here. And this is the kitchen. It looks like middle-sized for level volunteers, but it's enough space, even if we're all at home. We also have a microwave, a toaster, and another fireplace where we put some wood to keep the house warm. The living room, which we turned into a dining room and a game room.
Тут у нас есть маленький обеденный столик и большой.
Bu fil çapraz gider. Bu şekilde istediği kadar gider ama sadece çapraz gider.
А вот это Netflix.
Now I'm inviting you to the 2nd floor. I like the house having wooden walls everywhere. That reminds me of one hotel in Ugljic, where my family and I lived more than 1 year ago. Here is a dryer for clothes. And there's the laundry schedule on the 2nd bathroom door. We're opening it. It's way more beautiful, and I use this bathroom more often because I can heat up the bottom of the bath, lie down on it, and meditate for some time. The interior is pretty the same as that of the toilet downstairs. It's time to show you our bedroom. We're five here. This is my bed, on which I like to be alone in evenings. One of the options that I really like is the bedroom balcony. It's 10 degrees above zero today, not so warm, but when it was plus 21, I used to go here very often and film some episodes for my first video about Croatia. You remember these 3 houses on the hill. We can enter the other bedroom down this balcony, but we won't do that. Yeah. One can really enjoy this view and drink tea or coffee. And this is the stairs to the attic. Not so long ago, our volunteers started it up. So this is how the 3rd floor looks now. They did it great. So hollow and empty here, and we have a bad internet connection. I often feel sorry to not be able to get in touch with my parents via WhatsApp to call them, no matter in which part of the house you are. Another view on the street. This is the place down here on the street where I started my video. And this is the very red Croatian tiling on roofs. So varied. So beautiful. The last part of the house I'd like to show you is the balcony on the 3rd floor. The door opens inwards again. Another place where I filmed the beginning of my video. There are many colorful trees in November. Just a miracle. This house is my first dormitory, although the accommodation expenses are covered by the project. In general, I like it. I'm glad to live here with volunteers from all over the world. So this is the end of my excursion. Thank you for watching. Good luck and see you soon.